We've been in the precision subcontract machining business now for 42 years. We're a family-owned business. I'm third generation, and we're based here in the heart of Somerset. From this facility you see behind me, we operate 30 CNC machines, serving customers in a broad range of industries and sectors across the UK, Europe, and further afield. One of our key differentiators here at Coca is our ability to take on challenging problems that require unique engineering solutions. This is something that sets us apart from the competition and our ability to achieve this at an economical price point. Here at Coca, sustainability is a key part of what we do and how we operate. It's woven into every part of our daily working life and is a key factor in every part of our decision-making processes, whether that be from sourcing electricity, whether it be targeting reduction in waste going to non-recycling. Uniquely here, we also run our Wogaard coolant savers on every single machine, and they've really helped contribute to a reduction in fluid waste and recycling. We believe we have unique capabilities that can represent value as an addition to any manufacturer's supply chain across a broad range of industries. If you have a technical challenge that needs solving, if you're looking to expand your supply base here in the UK, get in touch with Coca. We're here to help.